Hello 3D printing friends. The other day, the Postal Service dropped this off on my doorstep. That's right, it's the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box for November 2019. So today on the BV3D channel, we're going to open this up and see what's inside. Stick around and we'll get into it right after this. I'm Brian, and you are watching BV3D. Hi, welcome back. Hey, if you're new here and you're wanting to learn about cool 3D printer upgrades, 3D modeling, and other 3D printing related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, so today we're going to see what we've got in the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box. This came in the mail the other day and I'm excited to see what's inside. Now, I've been a subscriber since the very first box in July of 2018, but if you haven't heard of it yet, the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box is a monthly subscription box for 3D printer owners. For US $36 a month, you get 4 20-meter filament samples, a 3D printing related accessory, a project to print and build, and if the project requires electronics or other non-printable parts, those are included in the box as well. There are usually stickers or swag or coupon codes from various 3D printing companies, and also a bit of candy, and every month one lucky subscriber wins the Mothership Prize, which is a 3D printing related accessory of much higher value. So if you're interested in the box, go check out the link in the description to the Alien3D website. You can check out the past boxes and subscribe to the UFO Mystery Box or one of the other smaller subscription products that they offer. I've got a referral code in the description as well, and if you use it, you can save $5 off your first month when you subscribe. And if you do that, I get a $5 credit as well, so it's a win-win sort of thing. But enough of me jabbering on, right? Let's get this thing open and see what's inside. Okay, well, first up, we've got the info card. There used to be a whole trifold brochure thing in here, but really I think the card is a better idea because all the info that used to be on the brochure is up on the Alien3D site. So let's get this read. It's that time of year where we become thankful for everything that we have in this life, whether it's friends, family, the 3D printer sitting behind you, or the smaller things in life that others take for granted. We all have something. I, for one, am thankful to all of you for your continued support and blessing me with having such a wonderful Alien3D family through all of you. Every day, someone puts a smile on my face on social media or meeting you in person. It's an amazing feeling to know that I'm making a difference in someone else's life and hopefully putting a smile on your face as well. Thank you so much for setting out on this journey with me. This month, we have some cool filaments from Greengate 3D, 3D Warhorse, 3D Passion, and FilamentOne. The accessory is something a few of you have been asking for, and the project, well, let's just say I have a challenge for you. Gobble gobble. Get all the information at https://www.alien3d.us/UFO017. All right, well, we'll set this right over here, and let's start getting into our box. Slide this a little bit out of the way. So here is some Greengate 3D clear recycled PETG. It prints from 235 to 245 C on a 70 degree C bed. That is a very clear filament. I'm curious to see if it gets cloudy or stays clear when I print with it. I kind of like using this kind of filament as diffusers for LED strips and stuff. We'll set that right there. Next, we've got a peachy flesh color from 3D Warhorse. I like the logo. It's a fat Batman with a 3D pin. I think they used to be 3D Hero or something like that. Anyway, this prints between 190C and 220C on a bed from 60 to 80 degrees C. Now, 80C seems a little hot for a print bed, but we'll see what happens when I print at my usual 60C. As peach colors go, this is not bad looking. Next up is 3D Passion's Atlantic Sky PLA, which prints between 190C and 210C on a bed from 0 to 60 degrees C. Now, I know when they list 0 degrees C as a bed temperature, they mean an unheated bed, but I wonder, has anyone ever actually tried printing on a bed that was cooled to the freezing point of water? If you did, how did that work out for you? I mean, kidding aside, this really is a nice sky blue. Okay, on to the last filament sample. This is FilamentOne's Gold Silk Pro Select PLA, which prints from 205 to 225 degrees C on a bed from 35 to 60 degrees C. Now, I like me some silk filaments, so this will be fun to print with. These always have a shiny metallic look to them when they print. They're so cool. Let's set that right there. The next item in the box is the accessory for this month. And this is a deburring tool and what looks like a set of 10 blades for it. Now, a deburring tool is an awesome accessory to have. You'll use these for cleaning up the edges of your prints. Sometimes you'll have a fatter first layer or you've printed a part with a brim, and this is the tool for cutting that away. These blades have a curve to them, and to use it you just drag that blade along the edge of a print. Easy peasy. Next up, we've got a couple of stickers. Got a Graybeard 3D sticker and a 3D Print Viking sticker. Hello Graybeard, hello 3D Print Viking. If you're watching, I got your stickers. Thanks. And here's the candy. Got some candy corn and some Twizzlers. I know somebody in this house who's going to want both of those more than I do, so she'll be happy to get them. And here's the project parts for this month. Now, the card said the project was going to be a challenge, and the Alien3D website says, as I mentioned earlier, this month's project is a challenge for you. I've gone ahead and pre-programmed these modules with turkey gobbling sounds, so in the spirit of giving this time of year, my challenge is for all of you to design a turkey to hold the module and allow the button to be pushed to play the turkey gobble. Anyone who tags me on Twitter or the Alien3D account on Facebook, I will link out to your files. So the button on the white wire cable plays the sounds. The button on the red wire cable records sounds when you've got an audio source plugged into that kind of headphone jack thing there. So let's press this and see what it sounds like. Well, that sounds like quite a turkey, all right. Now, I've got an idea about how to use this, and that'll involve adding different sounds and printing a turkey base for this thing. And I think I'm going to set it so that when you press down on the entire print, it'll press the play button and play the sounds back. And we'll see how that works out. Well, let's get all this stuff boxed back up. Got our project, we've got our candy, we've got our stickers, we've got our accessory, we've got filament, and filament, and filament, and filament, and our info card. Well, this is a neat box this month. I've got a few ideas about what to print with that filament, and I like this month's accessory. I know the project is going to be interesting, so I'll be looking on Twitter to see what others are doing for theirs, and I'll be tweeting about mine there too. So let's get this wrapped up. Thank you for making it all the way to the end, and thank you for all the likes, comments, and shares. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any cool 3D printing stuff. If you liked the episode, please give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down, but either way, please share your thoughts down in the comments. If you like the content that I'm producing and you want to help out, check out the description for ways you can do that. Shopping using the Amazon affiliate link really helps no matter what you're buying, and heck, even just subscribing is a great way to support the channel and help keep me making these videos for you. Well, now that I've got some new filament to play with, I'm going to go print something cool. You do the same, and I'll see you next time.